So this is a naturally aspirated Honda K20A. So yeah, this is how the engine looks like, and let's test it. It sounds like a diesel engine. So it sounds like a Honda Civic equipped with a K20A. So let's go to the next engine, which is our Honda Accord V6. Yeah, the J35 engine, the naturally aspirated V6. So yeah, let's test it. Let me just show you the engine ASAP. This is naturally aspirated V6 here, 60-degree V6. Yeah. Okay, now let's get to testing. We start the engine. So now comes our 6.5 liter V12 engine. This shit is so powerful, it is capable of producing 3033 horsepower. Let's test it. And yeah, this is a twin turbo V12 engine. I made this like 3 weeks ago, but I didn't get any time to make a testing video. So yeah, here it is. Let's test it ASAP. 3, 2, 1. That was so brutal. That was literally so brutal. I mean, this seriously screams to 10,000 RPM. So yeah, I hope you all liked all three of my engines. Yeah, so आज के लिए बस इतना ही. तब तक के लिए टाटा गुड बाय. एंड ऐसे ही और वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. या बाय बाय.